So if you want to create images with Nano Banana Pro in Gemini, you can see there's a limit of creating images with the Gemini. You can only create 3 or 4 images per day. But if you want to use this for free for all the time, like for daily use cases, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So in this video I'm not going to show you a limited method. This method is only going to be for your daily use cases. Like I use this Nano Banana Pro free method for all the time to create for my thumbnail. So Gemini is going to give you only 3 to 4 images. So I'm going to show you other websites where you can create Nano Banana Pro for free. So you can create more images for like 10 images, 20 images, even 30 to 50 images per day. So the first website is going to be LM Arena, which is called Arena.ai. So if you just go to the new chat option here and sign up with your Gmail account, and you can see there's an option of images. Just click on this. And here you can find Gemini 3, Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana Pro 2K version. So if I just choose one of the 2K version here and paste a prompt here, which is going to be my thumbnail of this video, and click submit, and this is going to be start to generate the images with Nano Banana Pro. Now whenever you try to create images with Arena.ai with Nano Banana Pro, you can only create 5 images per day. Sorry, not day. You can create images, 5 images, and after that is going to give you a break here. And after 1 hour you can again create 2 to 3 images, and after that you're going to give 1 hour break again. So you can use this for free, but it's going to take some time to create images. As you can see, it's taking some time to create images, but this is also free. If I go to my chat, you can see I am always using this to create. As you can see, I created this thumbnail with this image option here. Now the next website is called Lovart. Now if you come to Lovart here, so let me just go to the home option, Lovart.ai, which is also free, give you free credit every day, and you can see free daily credit 30 credits, and you can use this for Nano Banana Pro also. Now to create images, just click on new project, and after that you'll find image generator option, and you can see there's option of Nano Banana Pro. Now it will take 10 credit for every images, and this is for 1K, and if you choose 2K, it will also use 10 credits for every images. And if you use 4K here, you can create 4K images with this Lovart.ai, and it will use 18 images. That means you can only use 30 credits for 2 images. But if you log in for the first time, it will give you 100 credits or 5 credits for free. Like when I was logged in with my account, it gave me 1000 credits for free. Now if I just choose the 16:9 ratio and select 2K and just paste the prompt of the thumbnail that I'm going to use for my thumbnail for this video, and click submit, and it's going to start to generate the image. And let me just go to the Arena AI, and as you can see, it's still generating the image which is not created. And the last website I'm going to talking about, which is also for free, which is Flow. Now Flow is an AI video generator product from Google, but you can also create images Nano Banana Pro for free. So you just need to click on this create with Flow and sign up with a Gmail account. And after that you need to create a project here. You can start to create new project. In past, these are all the thumbnails that are created with Flow here and using the Nano Banana Pro. So this is the best way to use the Nano Banana Pro, because Flow gives you 20 or maybe 25. Also you can edit the images here, 20 or 25 images per day, which is pretty good to use for daily use cases. And if you have multiple Gmail, then you can create 20, 30, 40 or 50 images per day just using the Flow here. So like I have multiple Gmail here, like I have 4 to 5 Gmail, so I can actually create 100 images per day. Now if I go to this option, you can see there's option of Nano Banana Pro, and it creates 0 credits, like it's for free, and you can choose how many output you want. So I just want 2 output, and the aspect ratio is just 2 here. So if I just put the prompt here and click submit, and it will start to create the images for me. And using the Nano Banana Pro in Flow is better because it's fast and free, and it's from Google, and it gives you the accurate result in less time. So let me just go back to the LM Arena, and the image has been ready. As you can see, this is the images that we got, which is Nano Banana Pro for free. So if you click on this thumbnail, maybe I'm not going to use this thumbnail because the Nano Banana is not the color that I want, but this is a pretty good image. And if I go back to the Lovart, this is also the same image, Maybe I need to change my prompt here, but I'm just showing you how you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free here. And now if I go to the flow, you can see this is also using the same style which I created for my YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just going to edit this. So if I click on it, I can actually edit this image, which is for free. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to show you why you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free all the time for your daily use cases. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.